Hello, I'm Ian Cohen. I'm the Lighting Tower Product Development Manager for Himawinsa. And this is a tutorial on the ease of operation of the Himawinsa H Compact Lighting Tower. So the first thing we do is ensure that we get it to site where we want it to be. For this tutorial, the machine is going to be operating where it stands now. Secondly, we give it a visual check to make sure that everything looks as it should do, which this machine does. We then deploy the legs. To ensure stability, on this model, all of the legs come out diagonally to the machine to ensure its stability up to wind speed of 120 kilometers an hour. We'll also check at this occasion that the mast handbrake or the trailer handbrake is fully deployed, which this one is, because this will operate the mast safety system. As we're going to be running indoors, we'll run on mains. So we take our mains grid power receptacle, which is a 16 amp 230 volt supply. We'll come to the power cubicle and plug in the mains power. As we've done that, we need to inform the machine. This is a traditional diesel machine with added features. So we open the canopy, we go to the selector switch, and we select mains power as opposed to generator power. If we want to run in generator traditional diesel, then we just simply move the switch into the opposite direction. Close the canopy, then it comes to deploying the mast. So we open a control panel. The mast is deployed with the simple joystick operation. So for the mast to go up, all we do is move the joystick in an upwards direction, and we deploy the mast to the height that we wish. The noise and the light you can see is the warning to the operator and those around the machine that there's an operation carrying on, that the mast is deploying. To switch the lights on, simply press each of the buttons for full illumination. So we could also, if the lights aren't in the correct position because of the positioning of the machine on good ground, we can rotate the mast through the turntable feature, which allows us to direct the light exactly where we want it. And when it's in that position, we simply lock the unit back in place. To switch the lights off, again, it's the reverse. We just switch each of the buttons off, bring the mast back down. Again, we get the warning that the mast is moving. We switch off the panel. In this instance, we can disconnect the mains and we walk away, and that's the machine complete. Hope you found this tutorial useful.